What's happening, guys? You are tuned in once again to the Fairest Vessel here on YouTube again. So far I've brought you how to summon monsters. I've brought you how spells and traps work, what to look for with them. So next up I'm going to bring you synchro monsters, fusion monsters and the XYZ monsters and how they work. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with fusion monsters. And with the help of my legendary fisherman deck, I shall do that now. So, going in first we have Fusion. So, fusions, guys. Fusions work in mysterious ways. Like in your deck you need to have a polymerization or similar card. Polymerization normally looks like that. Or on the ban list at the moment is super polymerization, or I believe it's still on the ban list. You can also use ultra polymerization or things like fusion substitute. They also have red eyes. I can't think what it's called now, but there's a red eyes variant, there's a blue eyes variant. There's so many different variants of polymerizations that you can use. And basically what you do is you need one of these cards in your deck to be able to bring out one of these. As you can see, it's a purple card. This one has the attribute of water. It is the sea monster of Theseus. Let me get my thumb out the way. There's your pack number as usual. It's a zombie type, it's fusion, it's a tuner. It takes 2 tuners to bring it in, and there's your ATK and defense at the bottom. So basically what I would do to bring this monster in is normally using 2 tuners on the field. I would use, if I remember it, yep, ultra polymerization, because that's the one that's in the deck, as well as the fusion substitute. As you can see, it's black on the back, same as these ones. So I'd use one of these to bring that in with those. What you do is then, to bring it in, you put these 2 in your graveyard with your fusion card and bring that out from your extra deck. Moving on, next I will bring you the XYZs. So guys, yeah, XYZs. One of the easier types of monsters that you can bring out. Obviously, they're in your extra deck. I have 2 with my legendary fisherman deck, which is the Bahamut Shark and number 37 Hope Woven Dragon Spider Shark. As you can see, same again. If I move that one slightly closer and away from the shine, there's your name, your attribute, Sea Serpent, XYZ, effect, that's the pack number, the card's unique number. It's all still there, guys, but as you can see, there's now a slight difference. Like the fusion monsters, this one's got a slight different again. This one requires 2 level 4 water monsters to bring it out, but you don't need to use a polymerization. Instead, if I move these out of the way, let's say I've got these 2 on the field, both level 4 water monsters. I can just go like this and bring one out, and there is your summon, as easy as that. And then obviously, like I said it before in previous videos, it'll have an effect which states that you can detach 1 XYZ material from this card. All monsters your opponent controls currently lose 1000 attack until the end of the turn. When this card is destroyed by card or battle and sent to the graveyard, you can target 1 other monster in your graveyard, special summon it. You can only use the effect once per turn. So basically what that states is you can go like this, put this one in your graveyard and use the effect, and you can do that once per turn. So moving on, guys, nice and easy that one. I will bring you Synchro. It's a bit difficult, but you should get the hang of this one. So, coming up next is Synchro. So guys, this one is a brief look at Synchro Summoning. As you can already see, the face of the card is white in respect to any other card, and it states Synchro in its text at the top. Obviously the same as any other monster, it's got its name, its attribute, its level of stars, the pack it came from, edition, the number of the card itself, etc, etc. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do now is quickly show you how to bring in a Synchro monster. So if I remove these two from there and place in these two monsters here, as you can see, one's tuner, one's a non-tuner. This one's got 2, this one's got 4. With Synchro Summoning, guys, your monsters go straight to the graveyard, but the monster that you're Synchro Summoning in must have the exact star quantity of the monsters you've attributed for it. For instance, as you can see, the White Aura Dolphin is 6, this is a 4 and a 2. So what you could do then is, once he's on the field, obviously he's got his effect, etc, etc. If you manage to get another tuner on the field, this is just one of the plays that I use in this deck. Obviously, White Aura Dolphin is a non-tuner type monster, so then you can get rid of those to bring in this one, because it's a 6 and a 2, which equals the 8 stars that is. So guys, that is briefly how to Synchro Summon in Yu-Gi-Oh! I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, as usual guys, if you scroll down slightly, click like and subscribe. Keeps you updated for more content. Also, don't forget, on my next deck profile video, whichever one I decide I'm going to do next, there will be a small giveaway, which will be up for a couple of videos, whatever. Just to give you a little prize and stuff. You know, for me to give you something back as my adoring people who watch my videos and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Without further ado, scroll down, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon. Ciao for now.